doing some night shift work, preparing the trolley. I bought some wheels, 40 kilos, and they're coming with 4 holes, which I have regretted already. I should have bought these wheels with 1 central screw only, but I thought these ones are more stable. And I've got all the bolts and spring washers and nuts here, and I will cut the old bench top tomorrow, and then we are mounting the wheels underneath, and then we are good to go, and then we can finally start putting the battery cells in there and leave them in the final position and start cabling everything. I bought the wrong wheel. One of the 4 wheels is wrong. Someone put the wrong type of wheel in this compartment, and I just grabbed 4, and they look the same in the plastic, but they've got different labels. One is a fixed caster and this is a swivel caster. Okay, I need to mount this one first here to continue and then replace it later on. Well, the steering is not optimal with 1 fixed wheel, but it kind of works. It's alright. Well guys, there you have it. As per your suggestion, I've built a trolley for the 14 kilowatt hour battery box. Hey, this wheel bugs me really. Apart from that, it's pretty good. See, what I've done here is I used these wooden blocks here to actually prevent the box from slipping off the trolley. So it kind of locks in now here on top. So it's fairly good system. I think it is time to finally build the battery now. Okay, let's build the battery.